Welcome to God's Healthy Laws. I'm glad you're here. This is a simple 40-day journey back to God's original design for health. And I want to show you exactly how to get started. Getting God's Healthy Laws on your phone is really simple. Open the browser on your phone and type godshealthylaws.com. The app will open right there on your phone. There's no app store, nothing to download, nothing to install. Once it opens, use the Share button on your phone and choose Add to Home Screen. That's it. Now God's Healthy Laws is right there on your home screen whenever you're ready for your next day. And if you have one of our flyers, it's even easier. Just scan the QR code with your phone. It will take you directly to the app. Then use the Share button and add it to your home screen. It really is that simple. Now, before you start day one, take a few minutes and read the Before You Begin information inside the app. Please don't skip this part. It explains how the 40 days work and answers some of the questions you'll probably have. What do I eat? How do I put the 8 laws into practice? And how can I get several of God's laws of health into my day at the same time? We've tried to make it simple, practical, and easy to follow. And remember, this app is completely free. For everybody, forever. So share it. Share it with your family, your friends, your small group, or your entire church. Everyone can walk through the 40 days together, and it doesn't cost anyone anything. Everything you need to complete the 40 days is right inside the app. But if you find yourself wanting to understand more, if you begin asking why these principles matter and where this pattern came from, the companion book, God Invented Intermittent Fasting, goes much deeper. It explores God's original design for our health, including the pattern of eating and rest seen in the wilderness. You don't need the book to complete the 40 days. The app gives you the journey. The book is there for those who want to go deeper and understand the why. So start with Before You Begin. Then take it one day at a time. Welcome to God's Healthy Laws. Let's begin.